Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're looking to change the country code on your Android, there are two different things this could mean. Changing the country your phone is set to, or changing the dial code when making calls. Let's go over both. If you're talking about the country your phone thinks it's in, this usually requires changing the Google Play Store location. To do this, open the Google Play Store and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings, then General, and select Account and Device Preferences. Inside this menu, you should find a Country and Profile section where you'll see if you have the option to switch to a different country. Google provides some additional links with more details, so you can check those if you need more information. Keep in mind that if you've moved to another country, you might want to consider using a new Google account for a fresh start. Some settings and payment options are tied to your original country, and switching can sometimes be limited or require specific conditions, like having a local payment method. Now, if you're talking about changing the country dial code when making phone calls, that's much simpler. Open the phone app and go to the dialer or contacts section. When making a call, manually enter the correct country code before the phone number. For example, if you're calling a number in the United States, you'd add +1 before dialing the rest of the number. If you're using apps like WhatsApp, the same rule applies. Make sure your contacts have the correct dial code saved in their phone numbers. Some apps and services might also require updates or verification after making changes, so be aware of that if your contacts don't show up properly. That's it. Now you know how to change the country code on Android, whether for the Play Store or phone calls. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Android and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.